Welcome to dearhunger.com. Today I'm going to show you how to decorate heart-shaped cake. First of all, in a deep bowl add 2 cups of heavy non-dairy whipped cream. Now with the help of hand mixer start whipping it. Beat it at least for 10 minutes or until soft peak rises. Separate some cream to crumb coat it. Now add some food coloring and start whipping it at least for 30 seconds or more if you want to. Now I'm going to add some more drops of color and going to whip it nicely. Now my cream is become soft and fluffy. Now cream the hard sponge cake with the help of knife. After trimming the cake, take simple sugar syrup and drizzle it on the cake so it will become moist, soft and watery to eat. Now take the small amount of cream and crumb coat the cake nicely. Spread some pineapple crush between the layers, or you may use any crush you want, or spread some choco chips. Spread it nicely all over. Repeat this process for all the layers. After crumb coated, keep the cake to refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, start to cover it with the red whipped cream. Using the knife you like. Use the scraper to cover it nicely from all the sides. Here I have melted 1/4 cup of white chocolate and going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil into it and few drops of red gel color to color it red. Mix it well using a spoon. Now take heart-shaped cake tin and spread the chocolate into it and refrigerate it for at least 5 minutes to become hard. Spread it nicely and gently. Take a hard chocolate and gently press it on your cake. Be careful while doing this, it may break. Decorate it with some whipped cream and be creative with your cake. Add some sprinkles, add some rose and be creative with your cake.